Welcome to the Design Resources series. In this video, we'll explore the top icon and vector graphics libraries that professionals use to create stunning designs. Whether you're building a website, designing an app, or creating marketing materials, choosing the right icon library can save you hours of work. Let's dive in and discover the best options available. Icon libraries are curated collections of pre-designed digital icons that you can use in your projects. Think of them as toolboxes filled with thousands of small, visual symbols. These icons are organized for easy access and come in various formats like SVG or icon fonts. Each library maintains a consistent design style across all its icons, meaning they work beautifully together. Icons are available in multiple sizes, weights, and colors, so you can customize them to match your project's needs. Let's start with the free options. Font Awesome is the largest free icon collection with over 7,000 icons available. It has extensive documentation and is widely used by developers. Feather offers a more minimal approach with 280 carefully designed icons perfect for clean, modern interfaces. Material Icons comes from Google and follows their material design principles, providing 1,000 icons with professional consistency. Ionikins delivers over 1,200 beautiful icons, specifically designed for mobile and web applications. When you need access to exclusive collections and commercial licensing, premium libraries offer significant value. Icons 8 provides the largest collection with over 100,000 icons and premium plans for unlimited downloads. Iconjar is a Mac application designed specifically for organizing and managing icon libraries with team collaboration features. The Noun project offers 3 million icons and illustrations with a premium subscription for commercial use rights. Flaticon boasts an impressive 10 million icons with flexible licensing options and premium subscription benefits. Beyond dedicated icon libraries, vector graphics marketplaces connect you with independent designers and comprehensive collections. Creative Market is a platform where independent designers sell premium vector packs, illustrations, and icon sets directly. Envato Elements offers an unlimited download subscription model for vectors, illustrations, and design templates. Graphic River, part of the Envato ecosystem, provides individual vector assets and design bundles. Freepik Premium gives you access to high-quality vectors and illustrations with a commercial license included. When choosing an icon library, consider these important factors. Library size matters because larger collections give you more options. Format quality is crucial, ensuring icons are available as SVG or multiple weights and styles. Licensing is critical, especially if you plan commercial use or need to understand attribution requirements. Finally, consider the pricing model. Some libraries are completely free, others use subscriptions, and some charge per download. Each model has advantages depending on your project needs and budget. Free libraries are perfect for learning, prototyping, and open-source projects with no licensing restrictions. They often have large collections with strong community support. Premium services offer unlimited downloads for commercial use, exclusive design styles not found elsewhere, premium support and regular updates, and advanced editing tools for customization. The choice depends on your specific needs. If you're learning or working on personal projects, free libraries are excellent. For professional work requiring commercial rights and exclusive designs, premium services provide better value. Icon libraries can be integrated into your projects in several ways. NPM packages allow you to install icon libraries directly into web development projects and JavaScript frameworks. Content delivery networks, or CDN links, let you load icons without installation, perfect for quick prototypes and simple HTML projects. Direct download lets you get icon files and store them in your project directory, ideal for design tools and static websites. Figma plugins provide direct access to icon libraries within the Figma design environment, making them excellent for UI and UX designers building design systems. Performance is essential when using icon libraries in production. SVG format is scalable with zero quality loss at any size, making it perfect for responsive design. Icon fonts typically load in about 28 kilobytes as a single file, which is great when using many icons. Tree shaking allows you to include only the icons you actually use in your final application bundle. Purge CSS automatically removes unused icons from production builds, reducing file size. For critical path optimization, inline important icons so they render instantly above the fold. For icons below the fold, implement lazy loading to load them only when they enter the viewport. Follow these best practices for optimal results. Consistency is key. Stick with one icon library per project to maintain visual cohesion throughout your design. Always check licensing terms before using icons in production projects, especially for commercial work. Optimize your bundle size by importing only the icons you actually need rather than loading entire libraries. Finally, test responsiveness thoroughly to ensure icons scale properly and remain legible on all screen sizes from mobile to desktop. Let's recap what we've learned. Free libraries are perfect for learning and open-source projects with no licensing concerns. Premium services offer unlimited commercial use and exclusive designs. Choose based on your specific project needs and budget. To get started, explore Font Awesome or Material Icons for free options. Use Figma plugins if you're doing design work. Choose NPM for web development integration. And compare marketplaces when you need premium assets. The right icon library accelerates your design workflow while maintaining professional consistency across all your platforms. Thanks for watching Design Resources.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.